Here are 13 tips for starting a business and making it succeed. Know yourself, your true motivational level, the amount of money you can risk, and what you're willing to do to be successful. Choose the right business for you. Be sure there really is a market for what you want to sell. Plan to succeed, stay focused and be optimistic about the business you are doing. Don't procrastinate, start immediately, ideas come in bits, take the step now. Start on a small scale before going all out. Don't fixate on mistakes or get demoralized by them, they make you stronger. Learn from others, no man is an island. Think of what you do as a business, define your vision and mission. Understand the difference between working for yourself and building an ongoing business. Get to know investors, find people that will sponsor you. Embrace digital marketing, it helps you reach larger customers. Never stop learning and trying new things. Successful business is driven by innovation. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a video.